get a chestnut praline latte for my fall makeup tutorial. Starting with primer, I use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Primer. For my eyebrows, I use my all-time favorite brow pencil by ColourPop Cosmetics. I wanted my eyebrows darker, so I used the Wet n Wild Kohl Eyeliner Pencil to go over it. I'm shaping my eyebrows with the ColourPop Cosmetics Brow Pencil. Using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and an e.l.f. flat brush, I'm outlining my eyebrows to give them a clean and precise look. This coffee was so good. I'm blending in the concealer around my eyebrows with my Morphe brush to prepare for my foundation. In my eyeshadow base, this is my canvas to prep for my eyeshadows. I'm using Fortunate and Hooky in my crease as a transition shade from the X's and O's eyeshadow palette by ColourPop Cosmetics. Blending the two eyeshadows together to make it look all nice and neat and clean up the eyeshadow. Using the shade Reckless, this is going to go in the outer V area of my eyelid. Blend, blend, blend away. That is the key to perfect eyeshadows. The shade Smitten is the star of the show, which is going to go on the center of my eyelid. For foundation, I'm using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Foundation, which I absolutely love. If you'd like to see a review and first impression on this foundation, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. My go-to concealer by Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter Concealer, works wonders with the Stay Naked Foundation. For setting powder, I'm taking the ColourPop Cosmetics No Filter Setting Powder. With my e.l.f. Cosmetics Kabuki brush, this works great to dust off your setting powder. I use the shade 20 something for the corner of my eye and to make this makeup look pop. Using Reckless, I'm applying this on my lower lash line to give a more smoky look. For contour, I wanted a subtle contour. I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is one of my favorites by Anastasia Beverly Hills, the AM Reezy Highlighter. I applied my eyelashes off camera, which I got from a local beauty supply store. On my lips, I used Gorge Lipstick by Kylie Cosmetics. To finish the look, I used Garage Cosmetics Lay All Day Setting Spray in the scent Cucumber. I will catch you all in my next one. Bye, dolls!